Ladies and gentlemen, you have but 20 minutes left. 20 minutes left.
Simon hopes his own 2 courses will continue the great success he enjoyed in the evening service.
Simon, what are you going to cook for us?
I'm doing a starter of scallops on a sweet corn puree with a black pudding and walnut crumble with crispy skin. And the main, hopefully keeping that quite simple this time, fillet of beef with a horseradish mash with some braised baby onions and a hickory and licorice jus.
And that's keeping it simple?
Yeah, I've only got an hour.
He's already proved he can cook. I don't understand what he's trying to prove by putting all those ingredients together. 5 minutes, guys, that is it. You've got just 1 minute to finish off. 1 minute. That's it. Time's up.
Fatima is looking to impress with a main of duck in pomegranate and molasses sauce with sour cherry pilaf and beetroot relish.
The earthy, almost sweet beetroot I get, it's this acidity that is the base flavour, and it's the pomegranate. I wouldn't reorder this dish. The good thing about this is that we all have personal tastes. I like the idea of that duck against the sourness of the pomegranate, and I really like that rice. Divided we are.
Her dessert is a whole-baked peach in cardamom and burnt orange syrup with vanilla cream.
I've rarely eaten something so sweet that has such a sharp, clean finish. And I doubted it. That's lovely. I love it. I love that really soft roast peach. I love the cardamom that sits in the back of your throat on that orange. It's really, really great. You are an exciting cook, Fatima. A thought-provoking cook, that's for sure. Thank you. Thanks, Fatima.
For his starter, Simon has made scallops with sweet corn puree, black pudding and walnut crumble, and crispy chicken skin.
What I'm left with is a very sort of earthy, almost sort of dry dirt texture of walnut left on my palate rather than it being lovely and fresh. I really like it. The sweetness of that corn and the saltiness of that crispy skin and that beautiful, rich, sweet scallop, I think is lovely.
Simon's main is fillet of beef, horseradish mash and braised baby onions with hickory jus.
That sauce is seriously, seriously powerful. It's wiping out so many other flavours. I can't even taste the horseradish in that mashed potato. It's very original. I mean, I do really enjoy your sauce, and your beef is cooked beautifully. Everything's cooked beautifully. Interesting food. Do you think you've done enough? Is it yours today?
It's too close to cool, I think. I would hope so, yeah.
Person going through to the next round is Simon.